Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my physics class. Our today's topic is electric circuit. Let's start now. Electric circuit. The complete path of electric current is called electric circuit. Electric circuit means the complete path of flow of electricity. Here a circuit is shown, and this is the most simplest circuit. This circuit consists of battery, switch and electric bulb. And in the second picture, this is the symbol of electric battery, symbol of switch, and this is the symbol of electric bulb. And current flows through this path. This complete path is called electric circuit. So the complete path of electric current is called electric circuit. Different symbols used in electric circuit. These different symbols are used in electric circuit. This is the cell, symbol of cell, electric cell, and combination of two or more cell is known as battery, and this is the symbol of electric battery. We know there are two types of electric current, AC and DC. This is the DC source and it is AC source, crossed wire, connecting wire, wire not crossed, one-way switch, two-way switch, fuse, electric bulb, capacitor, coil, variable resistor, fixed resistor, galvanometer, G for galvanometer, ammeter A, and voltmeter V, earth connector, the symbol of earth connector. In ordinary electric circuit, electric equipment or components can be connected in two different ways. They are series circuit and number 2, parallel circuit. So in ordinary electric circuit, electric equipment can be connected in these two different ways, series circuit and parallel circuit. Our first circuit is series circuit. At first we will know what is series circuit. If all the electric equipment are connected one after another in a single loop, the circuit is called series circuit. That means in series circuit, all the electric equipment are connected one after another. Here electric bulb, another electric bulb. First bulb is connected with the second bulb, and second bulb is connected with the third bulb, and these three bulbs are connected one after another, and we will complete this circuit with battery and electric switch. So this is electric cell or battery, and here switch, and this electric equipment or components are connected one after another, and these electric equipments form a single loop. This is a loop. Therefore, in series circuit, all the electric equipment are connected one after another in a single loop. This circuit is series circuit. And ammeter is connected in series to measure the electric current in ampere. That is, this ammeter is used to measure electric current in this circuit. Here resistance of the first bulb is R1, resistance of the second bulb is R2, and resistance of the third bulb is R3. R1, R2, R3. These three resistances are connected in series. Consider potential at this point is VA and potential at this point is VB. So potential difference between two ends of the first bulb is VA minus VB, and electric potential of this point is VC. Therefore, potential difference between two ends of the second bulb is VB minus VC, and here electric potential is VD. That means potential difference between two ends of the third bulb is VC minus VD. Here VA, electric potential, VB, VC and VD are different. That means electric potential of different points are different. So VA, VB, VC and VD are different. And current flows through this circuit is I. This I current will flow through this circuit. That means this I current will flow through first circuit, first bulb, second bulb and third bulb. So same current I flows through all the electric equipment. I current flows through bulb, first bulb, second bulb and third bulb. That means same current flows through all the electric equipment in series circuit, but potential difference between two ends of the electric bulbs are different. Potential difference for first bulb is VA minus VB, for second bulb is VB minus VC, and for third bulb is VC minus VD, and their potential difference is different. Now all the electric equipment are connected one after another in series circuit. Same current flows through all the electric equipment. That means I current flows through all the electric equipments, and potential difference across the different equipment will be different. Here potential difference will be because different point has different electric potential. VA, VB, VC and VD are different, and potential difference for first bulb is VA minus VB, for second bulb is VB minus VC, and for third bulb is VC minus VD. If any bulb of series circuit is fused, the circuit will be broken and other bulb go off. If any bulb of these three bulbs is fused, then the circuit will broken. That means there will no current flow if one bulb is fused. That means circuit will be broken if any bulb is fused, then other bulb will go off. When bulbs are connected in series, less current will flow through the bulbs and intensity of light will be less compared to the case when a single bulb is connected only. If we use a single bulb with this battery, then brightness of the bulb will be more if these three bulbs are connected in series with this battery, because here resistance R1, R2 and R3 will be added. Therefore more will be resistance and less will be current. We know when the resistance will be increased, current will be decreased. So if the electric equipments are connected in series, their resistance will be added in the circuit. So less current will flow through the circuit, and each bulb will not experience the full voltage of this battery. This voltage will be divided into three parts. Here bulb 1, bulb 2 and bulb 3. Therefore they will not experience full voltage of this battery, so brightness of the bulb will be less. So in series circuit, the brightness of the bulb will be less compared to the case when a single bulb is connected. When a single bulb is connected with this bulb, then brightness of the bulb will be more. Now parallel circuit. If all the electric equipment are connected in such a way that one terminal of all equipment are connected at a common point and other terminal are connected at another common point, the circuit is called parallel circuit. That means one terminal of all the electric equipment are connected at a common point and other terminals are connected at another common point. This circuit is parallel circuit. Consider bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3. We will connect these 3 bulbs and one terminal of each bulb, this terminal and this terminal. We will connect these 3 terminals at a common point and other terminals are connected at another common point. Here connected. These 3 terminals are connected at this point and these 3 terminals are connected at another common point. So one terminal of all electric equipment are connected at a common point and other terminal are connected at another common point. And now we will complete this circuit with battery and electric switch. And to measure the electric current, we will connect ammeter, and this is parallel circuit. Resistance of the first bulb is R1, resistance of the first bulb is R2, and resistance of the third bulb is R3. And electric current flows through this circuit is I. I current is flowing through this circuit. Now at this point, I current will be split into 3 parts. This path, and this path. This I current will flow through these 3 paths, and again at this point these 3 currents will meet at this point and again will produce I current. So potential at this point is VA and potential at this point is VB. So potential difference of first bulb is VA minus VB. Potential difference of second bulb is VA minus VB, and potential difference of third bulb is also VA minus VB. That means for all the bulbs, potential difference VA minus VB. So their potential difference same. So we can say in case of parallel circuit, all the electric equipment experience same voltage, and this voltage is equal to the voltage of the battery. So all the bulbs will experience full voltage, and this I current will be split into 3 components. I1, in the first path I1 current will flow through the first bulb, I2 current flows through the second bulb, and I3 current flows through the third bulb. That means this I current is divided into 3 parts, I1, I2 and I3. So I1 current flows through first bulb, I2 current flows through second bulb, and I3 current flows through third bulb. So I1, I2 and I3 are different. In case of parallel circuit, different current flows through different electric equipment, and their potential difference same. Potential difference of all these bulbs is VA minus VB, because their common point is here and common point is here, because VA is the electric potential of first terminal of all the bulbs, and VB electric potential VB for other terminals. Therefore potential difference of first bulb is VA minus VB, for second bulb is also VA minus VB, and for third bulb is also VA minus VB. But current flows through these bulbs is I1, I2 and I3. This is I1 current flows through first bulb, I2 current flows through second bulb, and I3 current flows through third bulb. And I1, I2 and I3 are different. So in case of series circuit, same current flows through all the electric equipment and potential difference are different. But in case of parallel circuit, potential difference same, but current flows through all the electric equipments will be different. And brightness of all the bulbs will be same if they are connected individually with this battery. If we connect a single bulb with this battery, the brightness will be same when they are connected in parallel. That means 3 bulbs are connected with this electric battery, and all these bulbs experience full voltage because all the bulbs are connected at 2 common points. If one bulb is fused, then the circuit will not be broken because other bulb will run. And in this circuit we can use separate switch. We can use a switch here for first bulb. If we switched on of first bulb, then first bulb will run, and for second bulb separate switch, and for third bulb separate switch. That means for in parallel circuit we can use different switch for different electric equipment, but in case of series circuit we cannot use different switch for different electric equipment. There all the electric equipment are connected in parallel. In case of parallel circuit, all the electric equipment are connected in parallel. These 3 bulbs are connected in parallel. And remember it, ammeter is always connected in series. In any circuit, parallel circuit or series circuit, ammeter is always connected in series. Different current flows through different electric equipment. Here for first bulb current flow is I1, for second bulb current flow is I2, and for third bulb current flow is I3. So different current flows through different electric equipment. Potential difference across the different equipment will be same. Here for all the bulbs potential difference is VA minus VB. So potential difference across the different equipment will be same. If any bulb of parallel circuit is fused, the circuit will not be broken. The brightness of the bulb will be same whether they are connected in parallel or individually to electric cell, because if individual electric bulb is connected with this electric battery, it will experience full voltage, and if we connect these 3 bulbs parallelly, then all the bulbs will experience same full voltage. Therefore the brightness will remain same. But in case of series circuit, when the bulbs are connected in series, their brightness will be less. Now comparison between series circuit and parallel circuit. All the electric equipment are connected in series. All the electric equipment are connected in parallel. Same current flows through all the electric equipment. In case of series circuit, same current flows through all the electric equipment. That means I current flows through all the electric equipment. But in case of parallel circuit, different current flows through different electric equipment. I1, I2, I3, etc. Different for different electric equipment, current will be different. Potential difference across the different equipment will be different. In case of series circuit, potential difference across the different electric equipment will be different. But in case of parallel circuit, potential difference across the different equipment will be same. If any bulb of series circuit is fused, the circuit will be broken and other bulb go off. If any bulb of parallel circuit is fused, the circuit will not be broken. When bulbs are connected in series, less current will flow through the bulbs and intensity of light will be less compared to the case when a single bulb is connected only. And in case of parallel circuit, the brightness of the bulb will be same whether they are connected in parallel or individually to electric cell. We cannot use separate switch for different electric equipment. In case of series circuit, we cannot use separate switch. If one bulb is fused, then other bulb go off. Therefore, we cannot use separate switch. We can use separate switch for different electric equipment. For different electric equipment, we can use different switch. It is not convenient for our household or domestic uses because we cannot use different switch. If we want to run a electric fan, we have to run all the electric equipment of our house. Example, all the electric bulbs, all the fan will run simultaneously as there is no separate switch. But it is convenient for our household or domestic uses because we can use different switches for different electric equipment. So if we want to run a fan only, we can switch on the switch of fan only. So it is convenient for our household or domestic uses. So we can say parallel circuit is more convenient for our household or domestic uses.